y bienvenidos a mi canal. Today we're going to learn how to tell the weather in Spanish. First, let's learn a sentence structure. ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? How's the weather today? You would respond with hoy hace and then the type of weather you are describing. For example, if you wanted to say today it is hot, you would say hoy hace calor. Now let's introduce a weather type to fill in that sentence. Our first is frío, which means cold in English. You would say hoy hace frío. Today it's cold. Next we have hot. En español decimos hoy hace calor. Today it's hot. Calor can also mean warm too. Ahora tenemos sol. En inglés se dice sunny y decimos en español hoy hace sol. Today it's sunny. Now we have viento. En español se dice hoy hace viento. Today it's windy. Next we have hace buen tiempo, meaning it's good weather. And I decided to represent this with a sun, but good weather can mean something different for everyone. But the standard, usually for good weather, is sun. Ahora tenemos hace mal tiempo. En inglés se dice it's bad weather, and I decided to represent this with rain and snow and clouds, but this can mean again something different for everyone. Now we have our second set of question and answer to tell what type of weather it is. So you would ask the question, ¿Qué está pasando? Or ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? And you would respond with está, and then the type of weather that is occurring. In this instance, we will be using the present progressive tense, but this is not currently at our level. So I will be teaching you some phrases, but you do not need to know how to conjugate these verbs in the present progressive tense. Our first phrase is está lloviendo, which means it is raining. You can also say llueve to say it rains. Now we have our next type of weather, the snow. You would say está nevando, it is snowing. And another option you can use instead of using the present progressive tense is nieve, or it snows. Ahora tenemos una prueba. I want you to select all that apply to what I'm showing in the image. Let's do the first one together. What is occurring in this image? It appears as though the sun is out and the sun is carrying a fan, which indicates that it's hot outside. So you would say hace calor y hace sol. It's hot and it's sunny. Ahora tenemos otro ejemplo de un tipo de tiempo. I want you to answer the question, ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? La respuesta correcta es hace viento, or it's windy. This is indicated by the plant moving back and forth. Ahora tenemos otra prueba. I want you to select all that apply to this image. Las respuestas correctas son está lloviendo y hace mal tiempo. It's raining and it's bad weather. But remember, it's all up to someone's discretion if you think it is bad weather or not. But generally speaking, rain means bad weather. It would also be acceptable if you said llueve, it rains. Ahora tenemos otra prueba. I want you to answer the question, ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? O ¿Qué está pasando? And remember, select all that apply. Las respuestas correctas son hace frío y está nevando. It's cold and it's snowing. I could understand if you chose hace viento, it's windy, because it could be windy to you in the photo. However, it does not clearly indicate that. And hace calor is completely wrong because typically when it is snowing, it is not hot. Ahora tenemos la prueba final. I want you to use the sentence structures that we have learned previously to answer the question, ¿Qué está pasando? O ¿Qué tiempo hace hoy? La respuesta correcta es hace frío y está nevando o hace frío y nieve. It's cold and it's snowing, or it's cold and it snows. Y esto es todo. Gracias por ver mi video, suscríbete a mi canal si quieres ver más y pon en los comentarios lo que quieres ver próximo. Gracias.